Whether you're new to Talantula or picking this up again, you're in the right place. In this episode, we'll cover how to create an applicant registration template. Let's get started. Start by opening the Administration section and navigating to Registrations. This is where you manage all applicant registration templates inside Talantula. To create a new template, click the plus icon. You can either build a registration from scratch or start from an existing template. Begin by entering the registration name. Choose the registration type, make sure the template is enabled, and optionally add a short internal description. Next, upload or select a background image. This helps personalize the registration experience and gives applicants a more polished first impression. Now we can start building the registration flow. Each section represents a step applicants will complete during the registration process. Add the fields you want candidates to fill out. For example, phone number, city, postal code, skills, languages, LinkedIn profile, work experience, or certifications. You can search for additional fields using the field selector. This makes it easy to tailor templates for executive, professional, technical, or high-volume hiring. You can also configure validations, instructions, and consent settings. These options help standardize applicant data collection and improve compliance. In the Advanced Settings section, you can define limits, configure custom behaviors, and control how applicants interact with the form. Once everything looks good, review the registration steps and save the template. Your applicant registration template is now ready to use and can immediately become part of your Talantula hiring workflow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow the channel for more Talantula training videos and workflow tutorials.